Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to unboxing my new study table. I am so excited to show this to you guys. This new study setup of mine will be a great study experience. I just bought it from TikTok shop. This cost 2,700 pesos from Nice UPH. I know it's pretty little bit expensive, but I think it's all worth it. It's a huge change for me. I've been struggling using my old study table for 2 years. I think this time, it's struggle no more. So these are the parts of the table. This is the manual for assembling the table. I am hoping that it is not hard to assemble. It comes with free screwdriver, so these are the small parts, while those are the huge parts of the table. Let's begin to do the drawers. There were a lot of screws. I hope I would not be confused of which these I'm gonna use. There are exactly a lot. We are done with the drawers. Let's proceed with the table itself. Actually, I am struggling with this. Thankfully, my sister helped me to do it. Watch us here struggling her. It's freaking hard, guys. From the drawers up to the table. It took us 4 hours to finish it. Now the final touch. Sorry about using the rock, since we do not have hammer here in our house. At least it works for her. And it does its purpose. Now it's fixed. Let's clean this up and arrange. Let's also clean this table. It's kinda dirty. I am using alcohol and tissue for wiping it. The best part. Arranging my things on the table. not done yet. I have a lot of things to organize it. It took me hours to finish it. Look how I arranged them perfectly. Look at them. So spacious and cozy. Look at that puppy! Actually, that's my pencil case. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification icon for you to be updated for my upcoming videos, and please hit the like button and share. Thank you. Leave a comment below.